My name is Kate and I am part of the MarineMax Huntington team. Today I am going to show you the 2023 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer in the IO option. Starting here in the rear of the boat, this model does come complete with the Submersible swim platform. Under this panel, there is easy access to your battery switches and your shore power. Right here, this is a great rear-facing seating. It is very comfortable to watch everyone out in the water and still be included on what's going on in the water while remaining on the boat. Under this canvas, there is a bolster that will swing sideways to allow for some side-facing seating that is also very comfortable. Speaking of the canvas, this model does come complete with a complete camper enclosure, which is the eyes and glass that you will see throughout the boat. Stepping forward, you do have your freshwater washdown right here, and your control for your submersible swim platform, easily reachable from the rear-facing seating. Coming forward, we do have a great L-shaped seating inside of the cockpit. This is also in that dune interior. Looking at the floor, this boat does have dune seat decking throughout the entire boat, which is very comfortable on your feet. Looking above you, this model does have the hardtop complete with the sunroof. So if you're looking for a little bit of a breeze while you're underway, you can definitely pop that sunroof open. If you've had a bit too much sun and you're looking for a little bit of shade, you can pop that sunroof closed and turn on the air conditioning inside of the cabin, which is just a nice relaxing moment in case you've been out in the sun too long. Moving into the cockpit, there are great options for some cooking options if you're looking to snack or make food while you're on board. There is a Kenyan grill with your Korean countertop and a great sink, and right underneath you do have a little refrigerator, which is great for snacking if you've had the boat out for a long time and you're out all day and you're looking for something to eat. Moving forward, there is additional seating right here. This bolster can go one of two ways. You can either have it backwards if you're looking to stay in conversation in the back of the boat, or if you're underway and you're looking to be rear facing, you slide that bolster right back. Moving forward, the captain's chair does also come with two great bolsters for easy seating. You have twin Simrad multifunction display screens, your Fusion stereo control. You have your throttle right here, and this model does come with the very coveted joystick option, which is great for captaining the boat. Moving forward, the front of the boat, you do have your windlass option. There is also another great sun pad and additional seating up in the bow of the boat. There's plenty of room for you to lay out and really enjoy that sunshine with your family and friends. You do also have a Fusion stereo control right up on the bow of the boat. So if you're super comfortable and everyone wants to listen to their favorite song, you don't have to get up, you can do it right from the bow seating. Moving back a little bit, we are going to go into the cabin of this boat. When you enter the cabin, there is great spacing under here, and you're definitely out of that sun and you get a little bit of a break. This is currently set up in the bed option if you're looking to lounge, take a little nap because you've been out too long. There's a table under here that will raise and will give you a little bit room for more snacking and more seating area. There is also additional sleeping area underneath the cabin, which is just a great space if you're spending the weekend or spending overnight on the boat. This model does also have a very luxurious wet head. There's plenty of room in here and it's just so beautifully designed. It's really a great testament to what Sea Ray can do for you. If you have any questions about this model or any of the models that we may have in stock here, please feel free to give us a call and any of our sales consultants would be happy to help you in any way that we can. My name is Kate. Have a great day.